living like a dream. Oh, God. Oh, this is a bad idea.
I've been in New Orleans. I'm looking for sure. I've never been so close before. It's one way or the other.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the show today. We are going to be reinstalling the Precision Turbo on the Turbo S2000 build. Right now we are getting the transmission button back up. Got to install the turbo, put the alternator back on, and put all the charge piping on. Hopefully we're going to be ripping by the end of the night.
You didn't see it yet?
Nope. Yeah, the bolt that's stuck out like a half inch.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is how it happens.
This is neat. I still got to go over to my other toolbox, I think.
So what you're saying is, without pulling the engine out, this is how it has to be done.
Yeah. You gotta have every extension in the house.
We had to even go to somebody else's house to get theirs.
All right, so at this point in time, we are about to reinstall the bastard bolt. Which, if you guys don't know what the bastard bolt is, if you ever have to take your transmission out of your S2000, it is a bolt that holds the transmission in that is on the firewall behind the motor. So the only way to get to it, whenever you're not having the engine out of it, is with every extension that you can possibly find. And probably more that you need to go buy at Harbor Freight.
So somebody's got to be up top with the magnet.
Yeah.
Just have
I bet if you made a video on how to get that bolt out,
Oh, yeah.
every person that's ever worked on an S2000
Oh, made it
would
real
search
sweet.
for it.
Oh, we could probably put on there how to get the bastard bolt. All right,
Because
so,
that's the thing too. Like you got to be able to get.
TTS.
you guys could
That's the
even
thing.
brand it.
You gotta be able to
like
get
people
this-
start calling it the bastard bolt.
Oh, dude, that'd be hilarious. It's just known as the bastard bolt.
yeah,
For
and
everything.
it started right here, Route 168 Auto.
Yeah. So we literally have to stick that in there, and I have to come through the top of the engine and grab it so that we can actually hook onto the bastard bolt. That's
Are we
a
allowed to say bastard
that's a
bolt?
T-shirt, bastard bolt.
Are we allowed to say bastard bolt on here? Okay. I'm going in.
You need like surgeon mask on and like glasses and like
Go put a dust mask on.
put on some
You gotta hold this like
Yeah.
this.
put some scrubs on.
We should do a whole video on this. I can't tell you how many times we get so frustrated, yell at each other,
yeah.
and like ready to just WWE brawl after like trying to get
Throw
this
the whole
bolt.
car away. Just
Oh.
throw it away.
He starts yelling at me. I start yelling at him. He's not holding the magnet right.
Yeah.
Okay. I have locked visual.
Yeah, that's the biggest thing. You can't ever look away. Because
No.
the second you look away, it's gone.
Once you find the glottic opening,
Yeah, don't ever look away.
don't ever look away.
Yeah, things are about to get real tense here. Everyone's just having a good time.
Okay, I think we gotta go above.
Yeah, see, now this is where Ben starts thinking I could go above. Yeah, it only works one way.
You know what?
But we got
I'm going back on.
we got the alternator out, and I think that was the big issue for it.
No, there is no way we got this without having that alternator out. I'm telling you, we can barely see how we're yelling.
Tensions are slightly starting to build to the point of explosion.
Oh, an hour from now.
Yeah, hopefully that mic's picking everything up. Keep an eye on those levels. If it's peaking too hard, it's probably being trash.
No, they're doing all right. You guys would stop yelling at each other.
We're just waiting for a contract from Discovery to be the next freaking OCC choppers. I'm throwing chairs, desks, memes.
We build S2000s and GTIs.
He's getting
Can you
getting
hold
frustrated.
the light?
No, this is where this happens, and then he's like, I can't see,
I'm
move it.
trying to switch things up. Hold on. Let me see if I can.
You need to come up with step-by-step
See if I can-
instructions for this.
Well, yeah, like you said the other day, even you got to go back and watch your YouTube.
Yeah.
video. Okay. That's decent. Not the best.
Is this light doing anything for you?
I wouldn't mess with it.
I got this thing too far extended.
Close.
Yeah, you always think. Oh, I see you. Are you?
You're hooked to it.
No!
Off it. Oh. It's like playing Operation, but like.
Oh, you're so close.
Oh.
Yeah, this is where we need like one of those little tube cameras that's recording that can go on the videos. Now remember, we disconnected some type of boost lines here.
Oh!
Did you get it?
Oh, it just snapped on. Oh!
Oh, you're on!
Holy
Crap. We got to start like a little timer on the quickest time we've ever done this.
Somebody get me a ratchet.
You're doing it without a ratchet?
I don't have
Oh!
a ratchet. I didn't expect this to go this fast.
You want this thing?
No.
Which one do you want? What size is that? Small one, medium, large? Small? Are you sure? I'd like to thank today's sponsor of the video, RDB Outfitters. Link in the description. Damn it. It's so quiet now. Just waiting for it. Snap the bolt off.
Oh, this is good stuff.
Yeah, I think we didn't have the alternator off last time because that was way too easy.
It was not easy. It was luck. The S2000 gods are smiling today. Oh man, this is so sad.
You going the right way?
It says on and off. Just because guys have had issues. Now we can't. Now the biggest thing is we can't get too cocky.
Yeah.
Because if I slip off,
Lose that nut or lose the socket.
no, you lose the position.
Don't take that thing down too much.
We say that every time, and you know I crank it. Also tighten the bolt down real tight too. Oh, that's
Oh, here it
good
goes.
stuff.
Snap!
Okay, that's good enough.
Now can you get it off of there?
Sneaking her back out. See the way I said it's good, and then no one's looking at
Give her an
a little
extra, slips and freaking bust me in the face.
Permission to retract.
Oh, granted. So yeah, this is where it starts getting...
Okay, so just for the record, we did go under the bracket.
We'll have to make a mental note in this video.
Yeah.
Tell us what you did here.
You're not going to look straight down the extension.
Okay.
Oh, he pulled it off.
Okay.
Oh, we're good. We're good.
This here.
Wait, you gotta look at me for a second.
This
Fucking mints.
isn't as much for the subscribers as it is for future betting. Future betting magic. It is a 14 millimeter short under universal onto a swivel with 3 extensions. So you got that.
Just so you know, Ben.
Just so you know, Ben, whenever this thing blows up when we put too much boost to it again.
All right,
Man,
things are going pretty
tell you
smooth.
what, things are looking up. Things are looking up.
Now what?
Now should probably suck those mouse turds out.